BMW has produced more plug-in hybrids than most people realize, but just one pure EV until now. I'm auto specialist Tom Voelk for the Seattle International Auto Show, and this is the all-new, all-electric BMW iX. The iX doesn't just look different, it is different, though the size is familiar, nearly the exact dimensions as the X5. The grille, shield really, hides sensors with a polymer that's self-healing, so it shrugs off small scratches. All iXs are dual-motor all-wheel drive. This configuration makes a total of 516 horsepower and 564 pound-feet of torque. The lithium-ion pack has 106 kilowatt-hours of usable energy. iX has loads of visible carbon fiber reinforced plastic construction. BMW calls it the carbon cage. The raw material is produced in a carbon-neutral factory in Moses Lake, Washington. On startup, there's an alert tone and clear information. I'd be happy if this and the excellent head-up display wound up in all BMWs. Drive modes do make a difference in changing the behavior of the car. Things like throttle response, steering weight, and because this has the $1,600 self-leveling air suspension package, ride height. There's no geared transmission, but there is a B setting for extra regeneration drag. In the acceleration department, this is no slouch. BMW says it does the 0 to 60 dash in 4.4 seconds. Deep, rich torque off the line, it's what electric vehicles are known for, and at highway speeds, it has a lot of punch. Great for passing. This weighs 5,660 pounds, or 2,566 kilos. As tested on 22-inch wheels, iX is EPA rated to travel 315 miles on a charge. BMW offers a twist on power regeneration. It's easy to do one-pedal driving. You just add a little recuperation by going into B mode, but this is a BMW, and they do things the BMW way. Sensors will tell if there's a car in front of you, and in that case, it will just add more recuperation, or GPS data. If it senses that you're coming to a traffic light using positioning data, it will add more recuperation. It allows the iX to coast freely when most efficient, then adds one-pedal driving when the situation is useful. iX has the advantage that all electric vehicles have: batteries in the floor, which are very heavy. It makes the center of gravity extremely low, so this thing handles really, really well. While iX is very comfortable, body movements are well managed. It helps that each corner of the air suspension is individually controlled. Weighing nearly the same as the X5 plug-in hybrid, the pack in the floor probably gives iX better driving dynamics. Look closely and you'll see this is optioned with integral active four-wheel steering. That's good for parking lot U-turns and excellent stability on the highway. There are performance tones in the cabin that can be adjusted or turned off. Here's one of them. If it sounds like a soundtrack, it kind of is. They were created by Hans Zimmer. Yeah, that Hans Zimmer, the guy that does movie scores. They're easy to hear since the cabin is very quiet. Part of that comes from a slippery drag coefficient of 0.25. Specially designed tires with a foam layer inside dampen sound within the tire's chamber. This cabin is a new design direction for BMW. The open floor plan is courtesy of the skateboard platform. Eco-touches include synthetic leather on the dash, plus fabrics and carpet made from recycled materials. And bronze trim. Wool blend seats are available. These in leather are heated and vented. The shape of the heated wheel lets you see the configurable gauge cluster more clearly. It's wafer thin and very readable. Plus, crystal accents. There is no manual sunshade. Thanks to technology, you won't need one. The back seat is roomy enough for 3 adults with excellent footroom. Plus, there are all sorts of amenities to keep people happy. Remote seat releases will help keep your Levi's free of bumper grime and save trips to the back doors. Max cargo room? You're looking at an impressive 78 cubic feet. And if heading off to Mount Baker or Crystal Mountain, you can keep your boards inside. Even with all seats usable, there's a solid amount of room to fill, 35.5 cubic feet. For road trip charging, more and more terminals from Electrify America, ChargePoint, EVgo, and Shell Recharge are popping up, reducing anxiety. Plug the iX into the right commercial DC fast charger with the pack at 10%, and it'll take on 90 miles in just 10 minutes at its 195 kilowatt max charge rate. The all-new 2022 BMW iX isn't just quick and fun to drive, it's stuffed with tech that works behind the scenes to make life easier. It's worth it to drop by your local BMW showroom for a look. For the Seattle International Auto Show, I'm Tom Voelk.